Okay, we have one more concept to introduce for today. Once again, this is very similar to the other two concepts that we have learned, but it's slightly different. So let's take a look. Here we have a bag. A kabang. Let's take a look. When the bag is close to me, the speaker, I will call it このカバン. このカバン. This bag. When it's far away from me, the speaker, but close to you, the listener, I will call it そのカバン. そのカバン. That bag. And when it's far away from both me, the speaker, and you, the listener, I will call it どの, when it's far away from both me, the speaker, and you, the listener, I will call it あのカバン. あのカバン. When I don't know which bag we're talking about, どのカバン? Which bag? どのカバン? So we have この, その, あの, and どの. このカバン, this bag. そのカバン, that bag. あのカバン, that bag over there. And どのカバン? Which bag? So this word means this, that, or this set of words means this, that over there, which one. Just like the last set of words we talked about. But the way we use these is slightly different. When we use この, その, あの, and どの, we have to say the name of the item. In other words, we have to have a noun after the word. So we can't just say この by itself. It always has to be stuck together with a noun. This bag, this book, this cat, this pencil, this shirt. It always has to be stuck together. So この noun. The same その noun. あの noun. どの noun. So we can say このカバン. そのカバン. あのカバン. どのカバン. Or この本. その本. あの本. どの本. But it does have to be together with a noun, with another word. So we can ask like maybe それはいくらですか? それはいくらですか? How much is that thing? How much is that? That is fine in Japanese. But it might not be clear from what we were saying whether or not, like, the person might not know what we're referring to. So we might have to clarify. その本はいくらですか? How much is that book? So それ just means that thing. And whatever it is, we know from context. Maybe I can point at the book and say それ. But if we can't know from context, I might want to say その本, that book. はいくらですか? So these can both have the same meaning. One uses それ just by itself. The other one uses その, which has to stay with a noun. その本. So この、その、あの、どの. This, that over there, which one. But always followed by a noun. So let's review the ko, so, a, do words that we have learned so far. So, when we are using them without a noun, just the word this, that over there, all by itself, we have kore, this one, sore, that one, are, that one over there, and dore, which one? When we are talking about things put together with a noun, when we want to put them together with a noun to make it clear what we are talking about, we say kono noun, sono noun, ano noun, dono noun. So we could say, for example, kono kaban, sono kaban, ano kaban, dono kaban, this bag, that bag over there, which bag. And lastly, when we're talking about places, we have koko, here, soko, there, asoko, over there, and doko, where. So these are all of the ko, so, a, do words that we will learn in this chapter. Once again, so these words with ko are all for things that are close to the speaker. These ones with so are all the things that are close to the listener. These ones with a are all the ones that are far away from both. And these ones with do are all question words.